When you're looking to buy something online, the first thing you'll do is some research to figure out what you want and what you should be paying. To make this easier for you, we've put together a list of some of the best tips for finding keywords related to buyer intent. 1. Use Google's Keyword Planner tool. This is a great first step in figuring out what keywords you should be targeting. The tool provides information on average monthly searches for a particular keyword, as well as related keywords. 2. Think about what you would search for when you're looking to buy something. You'll likely be searching for terms like buy, price, reviews, etc. Keep these in mind when targeting your keywords. 3. Check out your competition. Another great way to figure out what keywords you should be targeting is to see what your competition is targeting. Check out their website and see what keywords they're targeting in their SEO and paid search campaigns. 4. Use long-tail keywords. Using long-tail keywords is a great way to target people who are already in the buying process. These keywords are typically less competitive and generate a higher conversion rate. 5. Target related keywords. When you're targeting keywords, be sure to target related keywords as well. This will help you to get your site in front of more people who are interested in buying what you're selling. These are just 5 tips to help with your buyer intent keyword research. There's a lot more to cover on this topic, so be sure to look into it a bit more when you can. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips and business growth strategies.